everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, right, I am going to be recreating this look that I have on right now. Please don't mind the white thing on my lash. That's toilet paper. I don't know how to get it off. I've been trying and I don't want to ruin my lash. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Things that I need to tell you before we jump straight. Oh. Okay, so housekeeping for the video. One, you will notice that there's a lot of sun going in and out because I shot this video during the day. And then secondly is I wasn't sure whether this look is gonna come out looking like this, but I'm happy, I'm impressed. And then thirdly, I am shooting my intro at night because I just got back from an event, right? So I did the whole makeup look, right, in the afternoon, but then the thing is I couldn't get enough time for me to shoot my intro, so I'm doing my intro now. So don't be confused when you see too much sun and then you think, hi bo, but the lighting was perfect like just now. But yeah, anyways, please do enjoy the video and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We are on what? 400 subscribers, right? And I promised you guys a giveaway. That giveaway is coming soon. I will announce it in my next video. So yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I told you to get out. Didn't know word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go. Without you, I miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, your truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is it trying not crying, not playing the night and not hurt? 'Cause I put in mine and worked overtime and you never put in your work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked away and I walked away and we should've stayed. Just say that it's alright.
without you. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, your truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is it trying up, crying up late at night and I hurt? Cause I put in mine and worked overtime and you never put in your work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked away and I walked away and we should've stayed. Just say that I'm sorry.
And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and also comment down below. Tell me what you think about the look. And yeah, until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.